Hey all, welcome to Jenny's Journey. This video is a makeover of iPhone display from normal to aesthetic. First, you're going to open the App Store and then you're going to search for the app Custom Widgets. I'm going to let it download, and after that we're going to move over to the next step. Next, we are going to open the Custom Widgets app, and then I'm going to walk you through how to log in and how to use the app free without having to subscribe to Premium. Just follow all the procedures and steps you see on screen. The first pop-up pages are going to be ones you can skip or continue. Now, just in case you see a pop-up that asks you to subscribe, you're going to look closely at the top left corner and you're going to see a cancel option. Hit the cancel option to go out of that page. And now you can see the interface of this app and create aesthetic widgets for free. When you scroll through the app, you're going to see so much iPhone aesthetic icons. Ones you can use, just widgets, calendars, stickers, just so many options. But for the sake of this video, we're going to select a theme. Now this is a color theme, icon theme, image theme, just a theme that makes all the apps on the iPhone the same to follow a uniform pattern. For this one, it's just a pink emojis, pictures. So the options are lots, so I'm going to choose one for this video. When you hit save pack, you're going to see each icon that will represent each app, and this is going to be as many as the apps on your device. So the app is going to suggest which icons will fit or replace the image for each app. I did not like the other option, so I decided to choose another one. Now, I think I love the interface of this one because the apps are similar and aesthetically pleasing. So we have the calculator app looking like a calculator app and the Gmail app looking like a Gmail app, so I won't be confused. But if you're very sure you're going to be able to recognize your apps, you can switch them with whatever type of image you want. Next, we're going to install the 57 icons. But here's one more thing. You can also choose to add new images, new icons to this list, just in case you're not satisfied with the ones you see here. So if you have an icon in your device, you can upload it using the add icon option, or you can simply create one. Next, I'm going to hit install 57 icons. I'm going to receive a prompt to upgrade to Pro, but since I want to keep this free, I'm going to watch one video ad. It wasn't a YouTube ad, by the way. Next, we're going to have the save with shortcuts guide, and the first step will be to download icons to photos and then add icons using shortcuts. They gave us a tutorial, but if you follow this video down to the end, you're going to see step by step how I transform these icons into apps on my device. So next, we're going to save to photos so we can have all the icons in our gallery. Now that we have all icons saved to gallery, we're going to transform the apps on this iPhone to those icons. Search shortcuts in the app library. If it's not on your home page, tap the plus sign, and then you're going to see an option that has open app. Then you tap the open app option and then the blurred app section and select the app you want to transform. I'm going to start with the messages app. Hit the drop down where you see open app, and then you're going to click on add to home screen. For this option, we're going to use a suggested icon from the device, just so you see how to customize it without downloading icons. I'm going to change the name of the app to Messages, so I know it's a Messages app, and change the color to pink. Next, I'm going to remove the original Messages app from my home screen. Please do not delete the app, just remove from home screen. And then you're going to replace the app you just edited in the space where it's usually occupied. When you remove from home screen, the app is still in your device. We're going to try the process again, but this time we're going to use one of the icons we downloaded. Repeating the process, we search for Shortcuts app, and when the app opens up, we click the plus sign at the top side. And then we select Open App and select the app we want to transform. When you do that, you're going to have the option to upload an icon from your gallery. Click the drop down on the Open App section and add to home screen. Then you're going to see the option to add the icon here. The gallery option is the one you select. You choose photo, and I'm going to make use of the messages or the camera. Yeah, the camera option, since it's the camera app I'm going to transform, and then add. You're then going to see the icon in your home screen. Then you can also choose to replace the camera app where the former camera app was, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to keep repeating the same process, and I'm going to update all the icons on the bottom side of my screen. For the last one, we're going to edit the phone app icon. We're going to repeat the same process. Open the shortcuts app, tap on the plus sign, tap on open app, insert the app you want to edit, click the drop down at the top of your screen, add to home screen, choose photo, upload, and there you have it. I'm going to adjust and replace. Perfect. So there we have all the bottom apps already edited. You're going to repeat this process for all the apps on your device. Time will not allow. It will take over, it should take at least 3 or a little more than 3 hours. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.